Hey there, this is Dave Gardner with MagneticSponsors.com, and I want to show you how to reblog with the Empower Networks Reblog function. So anytime you have someone in your upline that does a blog post, it will show up actually in your feed. So not only do my old blog posts show up, but also people from my upline. So for example, David Wood, being of course one of the main leaders of Empower Network along with David Sharp, anytime they do a blog post, they actually show up in my my feed here from when I'm logged into my back office. So as I scroll up here, for example, here's all the information on my courses, whatever. I'm an all-in member. I would highly suggest you do that as well, because there's some great content within all the courses, within the inner circle, some great mindset training and skill set tools that you need to build your business. So I just want to show you quickly how to do the reblog idea. So reblogging this, basically it puts it onto your blog, not just onto David Wood's blog, but actually our blog. So you just click the reblog button, and within minutes you're basically just going to repost it. So notice it says reblog the post there, and there's a couple different options of how we could do this. So notice if I go above it, this icon shows I can actually just write text. If I have the audio, I don't have the media. There is a media hosting here. I don't have that. That's an additional cost per month. I don't have that right now. But if I wanted to upload an audio, I could maybe embed it from another area. If I want to upload an image, or if I want to have a video, I can change all those, and down here it'll modify this. So let me just show you quick. If I click that I want to add a video, notice it flashed a little bit there, and now there's a button that says add video. If I want to do an image, again it flashes and add image. But I'm just going to do a little quick text post there. I can change my heading. So I'm just going to say, the benefits of live events. And basically you can put whatever text you want here. I'm going to just do the same thing. We'll erase that here. Put it in there. You can change things here. Just bear with me for a second so I can focus on typing. And you can modify. So for example, if I want to take the heading, I want to make it bold, I want to underline it. Oops. There's a couple things here. I want to make it a heading. I can change those. I can manipulate around. It's not too advanced. It's relatively simple. Again, the whole idea is so that your grandmother can do it. So if I want to modify these a little bit, I can play around with that. I could later add a picture if I wanted to. I'm just going to do this quick. I don't want to take a lot of time. Just make it a short video. I can add whatever I want as far as content here, and then you can basically say who you want your blog listed to. So I'm going to have the team members, public blog, and whoever's got the Fast Start training. And then you list the blog that you have, which of course is my Empower Network blog, and then you suggest the categories that you want to link to. I want to link to Empower Network, let's say testimonials, because people are always talking about testimonials going to live events. Dave Wood, of course, is the author here, so we're going to tag it with Dave Wood, and depending on however many you want to add, you can do that as well, whatever you have in there. The title, you give it some meta tags in title so that it's better for the search engines. So we have the benefits of live events, and basically you're going to want to manipulate and change some of those because they just give you generic automated words that show up. So I want to do live events. I want to actually swipe my title as well. I'm going to do Dave Wood live event, and again you can do a couple other things just to keep adding there so that you have a better chance to get some long-tailed keywords. So attending live events, and it helps if you have some of those same words in your actual blog post as well. So I'm going to go back and edit some of that later, but I just want to show you how easy it is to really do this. And then basically you can start to add materials here as well on a description, so that when again the Google searches, then you will actually see those on there when you're doing that and doing a search for Google. So again, I can add whatever there, and I just want to show you how quick and easy it is. And then we have the publish function, and then it's going to show up as published. And when we have it, so for example, I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So there's the blog post. Now it doesn't show that there's any likes. I can actually add my own like. Okay, I'm okay with adding that. And then mine is right below it, and it has just a very short information and can go there. So I'm going to open up a different browser here, and we'll just go in and see what it looks like on the other browser. I'll open up Google Chrome. I was doing this in Internet Explorer first. So just bear with me again a second, and we'll see when I open up in the new browser. That will be with us in just a second. Again, most of it's just taking time because I've actually been goofing around with the services as well and just trying to type. So again, within a couple of minutes you can really do that. So again, here's my actual Empower Network site, and there's the same video, the power of events, information and content from David Wood, and then right below it is actually my material. And then of course I'm going to go back and edit it, you know, the benefit of live events, maybe put some color in, maybe a picture in it, and put my link in it, tell people to have a call to action to go and actually, you know, either go to live events or, you know, hook me up with a question or comment, you know, anything as simple as that. So again, the blogging function, or the reblogging function of the Empower Network is pretty easy to use. In one of my next videos, again, there is a function to use the application on your cell phones. I'm going to try to get my iPhone hooked up to that just to show you how that works as well. So again, this has been Dave Gardner with MagneticSponsors.com. If you have any questions, email me at DaveGardner@MagneticSponsors.com or leave a comment below. Thanks. Bye.